Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel, Unboxing Nepal. Now, today we are going to do an unboxing video on the upcoming smartphone Infinix Smart 5. This smartphone is going to be launched on 25th November 2020. Infinix Smart 5 comes with a 6.6 inches IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen and 720/1600 pixels resolution. The smartphone consists of triple camera on the rear side that features 13MP wide plus QVGA plus QVGA, while on the front there is a single 8MP camera. The phone runs on the Android 10 Go Edition operating system. We only get 3GB RAM and 64GB storage variant here in Nepal and is priced at Rs 11,490. I think this entry-level smartphone gives us a lot much features like the other mid-range phones at higher price. It consists of a fast fingerprint scanner as well as face unlock feature, which is very nice according to the price point. We also get 13-megapixel primary camera which can capture some good-looking pictures in good lighting conditions. On this phone, we get a micro USB charger to charge a 5000 mAh battery, which I think would be better if they had kept Type-C charger. However, the 10-watt fast charger takes almost 2 hours 5 minutes to charge the battery from 0% to 100%. As the display panel is IPS, the battery will easily last up to 2 days with normal usage and 1.5 days with heavy usage. We can buy this smartphone exclusively from Dairies here in Nepal. If you want to buy one, please click on the given link in the description. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon to get regular updates from Unboxing Nepal. Thank you.